Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix dashboard tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to customize the Matrix dashboard. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so by default, after you've signed into your system, you're immediately brought to the Matrix dashboard. And from here, you're able to access each of the system's dashboard panels. Now, for the most part, a panel is simply a quick access point to features or contacts that you've recently used in the system. But since the default panels and their order may not be relevant to you, Matrix allows you to customize the page for your most efficient workflow. To do this, we're going to select the Edit Dashboard button. And from here, you'll see a collection of all of your available panels, some that are currently visible and others that are not. Now to enable a hidden panel, simply toggle it to the on position, then drag the handle to wherever you'd like it to appear on the page. And you'll notice that when you do this, the panels will automatically rearrange themselves, with the exception of the News and Alerts panel that's permanently locked in the first position. Now, if you're not able to see the news and alerts, it's because the panel's hidden until there's actually something new to show. All right, so exploring the dashboard in a little bit more detail. To modify the content that's visible inside of a panel, simply select the settings icon, and in the case of my listings, you're able to choose up to 8 items to display. All right, so with the dashboard now configured, let's go ahead and check out some of our clients' most recent portal activity. And we can do this from the Matrix timeline, where we're able to explore a specific group of portal actions for each of our clients. Keep it in mind that when you use this, you should always do a manual refresh just to ensure that your timeline's up to date. And with each of the cards specifying our contact and exactly what they've done, we can easily select the link for additional information about the action. Now, if you'd like to configure which client activities that you see, simply select the settings icon, and from here, enable or disable any of the actions. And finally, these same actions can also be enabled or disabled from the timeline settings section of your portal notification settings area. All right, well, this concludes this Matrix dashboard tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.